Why is it important to know the difference between a full-service airline and a low-cost airline? I know I have talked about this a number of times already, but I still feel it is worth discussing because some passengers still expect a full-service experience from a low-cost airline, or they compare the amenities without considering the fare they paid for. Okay? So, a full-service airline is what many people know as a traditional airline, where depending on the route, aircraft, cabin class, and fare type, the ticket may already include more services such as meals, drinks, in-flight entertainment, lounges, or different cabin classes like business class, premium economy, and economy. However, even with a full-service airline, not everything is always the same on every flight. So it is still important to check what is included in your ticket. Now, a low-cost airline, on the other hand, usually focuses on giving passengers a lower base fare with limited inclusions. Then passengers can add what they need, such as checked baggage, seat selection, meals, drinks, special baggage, or more flexibility for an extra fee. The difference is usually in the fare structure, what is included, what is optional, and how the product is packaged. This is also why I usually choose Cebu Pacific for domestic or regional leisure trips when I travel light, because I know what product I paid for. If I'm traveling with more baggage, special equipment, or on longer flights where I want more inclusions, I usually choose Philippine Airlines. So it really depends on your needs, budget, and preference. But my biggest suggestion is to check the airline's baggage rules, fare bundle, and conditions before booking. Now, just as a reminder, do not misdeclare special items. Do not force everything into your hand carry if it is already beyond the allowable size or weight. And do not avoid paying for what you actually need, because it may become more expensive and stressful at the airport. Now, knowing the difference between a full-service airline and a low-cost airline helps you choose better, pay properly, and manage your expectations before you fly.